If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Does it ever feel like starting an online business that actually makes you money is way harder than everyone says it will be? Have you ever tried to create a product or build a sales funnel, only to find yourself stuck with all the technical stuff? Are you spending more money on methods, software tools, and training than you're actually making in your online business? Do you wish there was a simple way to start an online business that actually makes you money without needing to become an expert? Stop struggling to make money online. Get the new, 100% done-for-you sales funnel and top-quality product that makes it easy to profit with just a few clicks. This is the fastest and easiest way to profit, ever. What am I talking about, you may ask? What I am talking about is the Tik Tok Marketing Guide and Training. If you are an online marketer, you really need to be marketing on TikTok right now. You can easily cash in on the TikTok wave that is currently going on. There is over 500 million users on TikTok worldwide. There is a lot of interest in the TikTok platform and a huge demand for high-quality information and advice about the platform. The TikTok Marketing Guide and Training will teach you how to get started using TikTok the right way and help you maximize your profits. You will learn what ads to run and ways that other companies are using TikTok to make tons of money right now. It will also advise you on the best content to create for the TikTok platform and offer you 8 marketing strategies to use that will take your marketing efforts to the next level. You will also learn the 9 best practices for TikTok marketing that will give you an unfair advantage over your competitors. With the TikTok Marketing Guide and Training, you get everything you need to make money right away and be successful online. You get the most up-to-date information available. You will have access to a complete niche research report showing you the best tools, training, blogs, forums, and infographics. You get a 100% done-for-you high-converting sales funnel in both Word and PDF format so you can edit it however you like. You will also get 10 high-quality and unique articles to use in your marketing efforts. This is an amazing resource for anyone who is interested in online marketing with TikTok. Click the link in the description below to take advantage of this amazing offer now. The links to the products mentioned in this video can be found below in the description. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.